What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Ragno Updates. For today's video, I will show you how to lace up your Air Jordan 1. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe as well. The shoe that I will be using today is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Light Smoke Gray. Usually, when you buy Air Jordan 1, it comes with the lace and the purse eyelids like this one. For this video, I want to use the extra lace that comes with this one. It is pure white and flat, same as the original lace. Now let's take off the original lace and show you how to lace it. So this is how you lace it. Grab the end of the lace and stick them in through like this. Make sure that the lace tips are even. If the first try is not even, just pull one side to adjust. Now that the lace tips are even, we will work our way up to the top. Make sure that the purse hole is loose. The lace should be always flat and not twisted. Now I will go to the second hole and start first in the left. Make sure that it's always loose. Just stretch it like this one. Now we will go to the right side and just work our way up to the top. Now when you are in the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth hole, I usually put my lace in the tongue. The purpose of this one is to make the tongue in place and not twisted like this. Now we will insert the lace from outside going inside. And from inside going out to the second hole of the tongue. Just make sure that the lace is not twisted. Others don't want their lace in the tongue and go directly to the next hole. But me, I want it always inserted in the tongue. Now we will go to the second to the last hole. This is where we will stop. We will just stick out the end of the lace by 2 to 1 inches. This style of lacing is called loose. You can slide your foot in and out easily. This is the most common way of lacing for the Air Jordan 1. Now we will see how it looks on foot. Now we will proceed with the second style of lacing. From loose, just take out one hole. After taking out one hole, just make a small knot at the middle. Now we will see how it looks on foot. Now we will go with the third style. Before that, we will going to unlace again the shoe. I will going to try this black Jordan lace with the white Jumpman logos. I bought this separately and not comes with the shoes. Now instead of going under, we will stick it over. This will give a different look of the shoe compared to the previous one. Again, make sure that the lace tips are even. Instead of going under, we will go over until we reach the top. For this, I will insert the lace to the last hole. This is more tight compared to the first one, but you can still slide your foot in and out easily. Always make sure that the lace are flat and not twisted. Now we will see how it looks on foot. Now we'll go to the last. Just unlace 2 holes below and tie a knot like the second one. Now we will see how it looks on foot. What do you think, guys, is the best way to tie your Air Jordan 1? Feel free to comment your answers below. Thank you so much for watching until here.